when you look at the best of the best across domains, the combination of passion and perseverance sustained over the long term as a common denominator, grit keeps you on the path. By Angela Duckworth. Finish reading this book, Why Passion and Resilience are the key, are the secrets to success. Must read book. I have so much highlighted sentences and words to be used in the future. I'm very happy I finished here with the anchorage, sunset, and next book is by Robin Sharma, The Greatness Guide, before departure in Tema, here in Tema. Hopefully I will finish this one.